You know what people actually want when they buy a home? Not just four walls, not just a terrace. They want a feeling. That feeling when you walk into a really good hotel and everything just works. So what if that feeling came home with you? That's exactly what this is. The Westin Residences Gurugram, Sector 103, Dwarka Expressway. Now here's where it gets interesting. Westin is the brand of Marriott International, the world's largest branded residences company. And this is their first Westin Residences in India in partnership with Whiteland Corporation. Now, a lot of people focus on the product and forget the location. Big mistake. This one is Sector 103, Dwarka Expressway. IGI Airport, 15 minutes. Cyber City, 15 minutes. South Delhi, 25 minutes. And Global City, which is a 1,000-acre development, is coming up just 4 kilometers from here. Now, let's talk about what truly sets this apart. Branded residences are not about the name. They are about who is running your life inside that home. And here it's the full-scale hospitality ecosystem. 550 plus trained staff, managed by Westin for 30 years. 24/7 concierge, housekeeping, in-residence dining, and guest suites for visitors. That's not a builder's brochure promise. That's a Marriott operation. And Marriott has a reputation to protect. Within the community, you have multiple restaurants and cafes, private dining spaces, ballrooms, and event areas. Sports and wellness, tennis, squash, pickleball, yoga and movement studios, and a fully equipped gym. For families, kids club, games room, private theatre. And for recovery and wellness, spa, treatment room, sauna and steam, indoor and outdoor pools. All of this integrated within landscaped, nature-driven spaces. Now let's step inside your home. Only 3 and 4 BHK residences, starting 2,600 square feet, 11.5 feet floor height, giving that open and airy feels. Living spaces finished with imported Italian marble. Modular kitchen with global appliances like Siemens and Miele. Bathrooms with premium fittings like Toto. Plus smart home features, automation for lighting, AC, security, and more. Everything designed with a hotel-inspired luxury aesthetic. And then comes the scale. A massive 1.75 lakh square feet clubhouse, one of the largest in its category. If you have experienced the Marriott hospitality, you already know what that standards actually feels like. But if you're looking for something rare, something that holds its value because who operates it, then this becomes interesting. Globally, Marriott branded residences consistently command a premium, not because of marketing, but because of consistency, service, and trust. And right now, this is the only Marriott branded residence in NCR. That exclusivity matters. Sometimes you don't find your next home by searching it. You find it by feeling it. The sample apartment is ready. The experience is life. Come see it by yourself. Westin Residences Gurugram. This isn't just a home. This is what upgrading your life actually looks like.